Scarlett Johansson's Serene Spa Retreats. Scarlett Johansson, known for her mesmerizing performances on the big screen, has a deeply rooted appreciation for relaxation and wellness. Amid her bustling career, Scarlett finds solace and rejuvenation in serene spa retreats around the globe. These retreats offer her a perfect blend of tranquility, luxury, and holistic well-being, allowing her to unwind and recharge. Let's explore the spa destinations that Scarlett Johansson loves and the unique experiences they offer. Bali, Indonesia. Scarlett Johansson's love for Bali is no secret. This Indonesian paradise is known for its lush landscapes, tranquil beaches, and spiritual ambience. Scarlett often retreats to Bali to escape the hustle and bustle of her busy life and to find peace in its serene surroundings. The island is home to numerous luxurious spas that offer a variety of treatments inspired by traditional Balinese healing practices. From aromatic massages using locally sourced essential oils to soothing body scrubs made from volcanic sand, Scarlett finds herself immersed in a world of relaxation and rejuvenation. One of her favorite spa destinations in Bali is the renowned Siomelo Champala estate, nestled amidst the island's tropical rainforest. Here, Scarlett indulges in personalized wellness programs that include yoga, meditation, and detoxifying treatments. Tuscany, Italy. In the heart of Italy's picturesque countryside, Scarlett Johansson finds solace in the serene spa retreats of Tuscany. Known for its rolling hills, vineyards, and historic villages, Tuscany offers a peaceful escape from the chaos of everyday life. Scarlett is particularly fond of the luxurious Castiglione del Bosco, a stunning resort set within a 5,000-acre estate. The resort spa, inspired by ancient Etruscan wellness traditions, offers Scarlett a range of treatments designed to harmonize the body and mind. At Castiglione del Bosco, Scarlett immerses herself in the soothing ambience of the spa's thermal baths, which are rich in minerals and renowned for their healing properties. The resort's signature vinotherapy treatments, which utilize the antioxidant properties of grapes, provide Scarlett with a unique and rejuvenating experience. Kyoto, Japan. For Scarlett Johansson, the ancient city of Kyoto is a sanctuary of calm and mindfulness. Known for its historic temples, beautiful gardens, and traditional tea houses, Kyoto offers a spiritual retreat that resonates deeply with Scarlett's quest for inner peace. One of her favorite spa destinations in Kyoto is the luxurious Amen Kyoto, a serene resort nestled in a hidden forest. The resort spa, inspired by traditional Japanese wellness practices, offers Scarlett a range of treatments that emphasize balance and harmony. At Amen Kyoto, Scarlett indulges in the art of onsen bathing, where she immerses herself in natural hot springs that are believed to have healing properties. The resort's signature shiatsu massages, which focus on restoring the flow of energy throughout the body, provide Scarlett with a deeply relaxing and rejuvenating experience. Maldives. Scarlett Johansson often escapes to the Maldives, a tropical paradise known for its crystal-clear waters, white sandy beaches, and luxurious overwater villas. The Maldives is home to some of the world's most exclusive spa resorts, where Scarlett finds herself immersed in a world of relaxation and indulgence. One of her favorite spa destinations in the Maldives is the one and only Rithi Ra, a stunning resort set on a private island. The resort spa, surrounded by the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean, offers Scarlett a range of treatments designed to rejuvenate the body and soul. At one and only Rithi Ra, Scarlett indulges in signature treatments that incorporate local ingredients such as coconut, seaweed, and marine minerals. The spa's overwater treatment pavilions, with their panoramic views of the ocean, provide Scarlett with a tranquil and luxurious setting for her wellness journey. Swiss Alps, Switzerland. In the heart of the Swiss Alps, Scarlett Johansson finds a sanctuary of tranquility and natural beauty. Known for its stunning mountain landscapes, pristine lakes, and charming villages, the Swiss Alps offer a peaceful escape from the pressures of everyday life. Scarlett is particularly fond of the luxurious Badruz Palace Hotel in St. Moritz, a historic resort that offers world-class spa facilities and breathtaking views of the Alps. The hotel spa, inspired by the healing properties of the region's natural springs, provides Scarlett with a range of treatments designed to promote relaxation and well-being. At Badruz Palace Hotel, Scarlett immerses herself in the soothing waters of the spa's indoor and outdoor pools, which are fed by natural springs and rich in minerals. Hawaii, USA. Scarlett Johansson often finds herself drawn to the tropical paradise of Hawaii, where the natural beauty and laid-back vibe provide a perfect escape from the stresses of everyday life. Known for its stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and volcanic landscapes, Hawaii offers a serene retreat that resonates deeply with Scarlett's love for nature and wellness. One of her favorite spa destinations in Hawaii is the Four Seasons Resort Honolulu on the Big Island, a luxurious resort set amidst the island's dramatic landscape. The resort spa, inspired by traditional Hawaiian healing practices, offers Scarlett a range of treatments designed to restore balance and harmony. At the Four Seasons Resort Honolulu, Scarlett indulges in signature treatments that incorporate local ingredients such as coconut oil, Hawaiian sea salt, and volcanic clay. The spa's open-air treatment hails, surrounded by lush gardens and tranquil water features, provide Scarlett with a serene and luxurious setting for her wellness journey. Whether she is enjoying a lomi-lomi massage under the swaying palm trees or practicing yoga on the beach at sunset, Hawaii's natural beauty and serene ambience always leave Scarlett feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Santorini, Greece. In the stunning island of Santorini, Scarlett Johansson finds a sanctuary of tranquility and natural beauty. Known for its whitewashed buildings, crystal-clear waters, and breathtaking sunsets, Santorini offers a peaceful escape from the pressures of everyday life. Scarlett is particularly fond of the luxurious Caves Oya Hotel, a stunning resort set on the cliffs of Oya with panoramic views of the Aegean Sea. The hotel's spa, inspired by the healing properties of the region's natural springs, provides Scarlett with a range of treatments designed to promote relaxation and well-being. At Caves Oya Hotel, Scarlett immerses herself in the soothing waters of the spa's indoor and outdoor pools, which are fed by natural springs and rich in minerals. The hotel's signature Mediterranean treatments, which incorporate local ingredients such as olive oil, sea salt, and volcanic clay, provide Scarlett with a unique and rejuvenating experience. Iceland. Scarlett Johansson often escapes to the land of fire and ice, Iceland, where the dramatic landscapes and geothermal wonders provide a unique retreat from the stresses of everyday life. Known for its stunning waterfalls, geysers, and hot springs, Iceland offers a serene and invigorating escape that resonates deeply with Scarlett's love for nature and wellness. One of her favorite spa destinations in Iceland is the Blue Lagoon, a world-famous geothermal spa set amidst a lava field. The spa's milky blue waters, rich in minerals such as silica and sulfur, provide Scarlett with a unique and rejuvenating experience. At the Blue Lagoon, Scarlett indulges in signature treatments that incorporate the spa's mineral-rich waters and volcanic mud. The spa's serene setting, with its steaming waters and dramatic lava landscape, provides Scarlett with a tranquil and luxurious setting for her wellness journey. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.